horse, okay? All right. Get your horse. Come on, Minnie. Oh, come on, Minnie. Buttercup. All right. I got him.
Buttercup's easier.
All right. Here we go.
I'm taller.
Whatever. That's why mine's called Minnie. Duh.
Wouldn't it be a pony?
No, it's called Minnie. She's a mini horse. Boy, this sun sure is hot on my legs. I hope I don't get a sunburn or skin poisoning or something.
Maybe you'll get pickles.
Oh, that'd be horrible, don't you think?
Maybe.
Boy, well, they really starting to get toasty. I think we should turn around and go back. I may have to see the doctor. All right, we turn around. Come on, turn around, Minnie. Come on.
Hey, look, there's my hat.
Well, I like that one better anyways.
Me too, when I tried it on the stomach.
I know. Is it from a real raccoon?
I think so.
Oh, looks gorgeous. All right, look, you put Buttercup back up first. Now get Minnie in there. She's kind of stubborn. Get in there, Minnie. All right. Well, boy, my legs are feeling bad.
I wish I could do doctor.
I think we should. Let's take me to the doctor. Oh boy. Oh boy, I tell you.